Hi, I just moved this video over from another account and just putting it in here. It is an Avantron system analyzer. It's one of the very first videos I ever did scrapping, so just got to get everything moved over, and I didn't have a chance this week to scrap anything fresh. Hello, my scrappy friends. This is it's kind of cloudy, but we just have a bit of sun there. Just peeking out. But what I wanted to show you is this, the Avantron system analyzer. This has I have no way to even power it on. I don't know what, like this is the only hookups we've got. And I don't know if you're supposed to, I can't even find it on the internet. When I went on the group on Facebook, they said that it's, basically garbage. Oh, I'll take that fuse. They said like it's not a useful machine in the first place anymore, but it's also not a known name. So nobody wanted to pay. It's 33 pounds. Even giving it away, nobody would pay for shipping. But I'm sure that there's going to be something good in this thing, right? I think I got to pry it all open because there's no screws or anything. It's kind of like a sealed in unit. But yeah, I'll get to work on this, and I don't know, we'll see. I'm assuming because this was like, probably cost thousands of dollars when it was new back in whenever, 90s or something. I'm assuming that it's full of, good circuits and stuff, but we'll see. I'll come back to her in a bit. Oh, well, turns out that there was screws in these feet. I got 3 out, but then this one was rotten. The screw was all rotted out and just spinning, so I got the old trusty grinder. We got her off, so. Hi, bud. Oh. So that's just plastic. Or, no, I guess that's fiberglass. Yeah, so I screwed up. And I wasn't actually showing most of the stuff to the camera. And you couldn't see anything, so I just decided I would do a big time lapse. Then I'm going to come up to a spot here where I show you the damage, and I will stop talking then. Ooh. That can't be good. And now I'm back. So the battery had just leaked and kind of melted itself into the board, but it had leaked all the way down because for years that thing just sat there. So I thought initially it was water damage, but it wasn't. It was battery. This is just basically tearing this whole thing down. I will explain more in another video that I came out and did this morning because I was too tired last night and it was starting to get dark and cold. This is all just blah 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 blah. There's really not much to say anyhow. This is me counting all the riches, which I do at the end. But yeah, I don't know, it was pretty cool. Oh wait, I forgot about the back. I thought it seemed pretty heavy still. Okay. And then this just takes us through to the end, where we start a whole new video. There was sure a lot of screws. Let me just come up here to where I start counting all of the tantalum, which I still don't know. I gotta look this all up again, which is why I had to go back out and take more pictures. I counted up 80 of the small little yellow ones, but there's the dog, and this is about the end of it here. We're up. Anyhow, friends, yesterday I did a very poor job of videography. So I have to go through this stuff again today and explain it. I just did a big fast forward. So basically, started with this. So we got some gold pins and that. Everything in this, except for maybe that, where's my magnet? There it is. But there's a couple of screws. But yeah, like there's like nothing in this is magnetic except for this speaker, and it looks like those two screws that were there. Like this is all aluminum and that. But what I wanted to show you is this. I found out what caused the damage, and it was a battery on one of these boards. But it kind of leaked down through. I don't know where it is now, but what I wanted to find out and had asked several times in the video is what in here is valuable. Like this looks like a bunch of I don't know if those are tantalum capacitors or not. I'll have to look that up. Some, like I know those ones are, right? So that circuit board, not a great one, but like, you know, it was 33 pounds, so there's a lot of aluminum in there. I can't imagine this is worth anything, but you can see where it's been burned into the screen. You know, like that's all gold, right? In here, there's just that little one, but like look at all the tantalum capacitors in there. Just in those little ones that you see there, I counted 80 altogether in this. But if like these ones are tantalum capacitors too, then I've got a lot more. These are all like housed in extruded aluminum. I don't know what, like, is that a big crystal oscillator there? I don't know what these are. I gotta look all this up. And I thought, oh, I'll go through the video and I'll be able to look it all up. But then I realized that I was taking the video from up here and I couldn't read anything. So I figure I'll just come and have a good look at everything here. Like this, it's got like a silver, right here, there's like a silver thick wire that goes into there, so I'll have to tear that all apart. I'm sure that's got to be some silver under there, right? There's like another, I don't know what's with what, but like, look at these. I don't even know what you do. Like, do you just depopulate the whole thing, or I don't even know how you go about getting the value out of this. This is the one that got burnt by the battery, and it leaked all the way down through to the bottom of it. There's nothing on the backs of these boards. But like, yeah, like, I don't know. I'm going to just rely on any comments to tell me what to do with this stuff. I don't know what's in this. Like, yeah, it's weird. Weird stuff. Another nice card. This thing is crazy. It was completely sealed up. Let me just see if I can get it. Like, what are these two? And then there was this one here, which I believe is a big capacitor, like, or a silver crystal. And this one, they both had their own tape on them. I like the snow coming down on this. Oh, and then under was nothing except for it did have this big heat sink with the same tape on the bottom. I'm assuming this is just a heat sink because there was nothing in it. Like, you know, what about this? Once I can look at all of these, I can just pause the video and see all of the, kind of look it up. But so that's, you know, basically, that's the whole thing. There's like some brass, I just thought it was crazy. I don't know like what these would be made of. Brass, I guess. Oh, right here. So like, oh, here, let me set it down. So that chip is an Intel chip, and it looks like 1982 or 1985 or something like that. I don't know how you read all of this stuff, but I don't know. Any comments would be welcome to find out what the hell this all is. Anyhow, that's what I got. Thanks.